handsome boy. Are we all covered in mud? Has the rain been being a beast? Huh? Here we go. Hi, Alexander. Has the weather been treating you good? Oh, good crunchies? Yeah? Ah, such a good boy. Okay, there you go. Another one? Yeah, that's my sweetheart. Huh? You're so handsome. Last one. Thank you, sweetie. So handsome. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Thank you, bud. I have the barn manager supervising. I have a feeling I'm going to get a performance appraisal here shortly. And just so Sonny can't say I don't feed them. There he is. He's getting his grain. And here's Meg getting hers. Say, Meg, are you enjoying your grain? Yeah. Is that you asking nicely for some carrots? Yeah. So sweet and gentle. Oh, I heard Miss Meg asking for carrots. Yes. There we are. You want to come here, sir? Hi. Now, don't be mean to Miss Meg. Sir. No. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yes. Yes, that's a very good boy. I know, it's your turn, my sweets. There you go. That's a good boy. You behave. And we can stand right here next to our... Oh, no, Back up. Good boy. Good boy. That was very good. Thank you. What do you think, Missy? Why did you move forward again, sir? Back up. Back up. Good boy. Very good boy. All right. One more each. Mwah. You want yours too, since you stayed exactly where you were? Good boy. No, don't be mean. Don't be mean now. What are you doing? You're a goober. Can I get a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. Oh, you can keep yours back, huh? Mwah. You're so sweet. Missy, can I get a kiss? Oh, yeah, and there we are. Do you think that was appropriate, young man? Back up. Back up. Back up. Stay there. Good boy. Okay.